Okay, that means you just started watching the program right now, right?
Yes, Sheikh.
Okay, no problem. I will repeat the answer. For Nigerians, I will repeat the answer. No problem. Did you fast before today, since the beginning of Shaban, or not?
Yes, Sheikh.
Then continue fasting until a day or two before Ramadan if you want to. Okay? Nothing should stop you from fasting. Tomorrow is Thursday. Let's all fast tomorrow, inshallah. Then Monday and Thursday. And some people would like to fast every other day. Sha'ban, it is permitted even to fast every day, but to spare the last couple days before Ramadan, to separate between the nafila, the voluntary fasting, and the compulsory fasting of Ramadan. May Allah accept. There is nothing like fasting. Fasting is an amazing practice, is an amazing quality. It doesn't only purify the body and it gives a break to the stomach and the intestine and the kidneys, but also it purifies the soul, number one. Barakallah fikum.
I am very embarrassed to say this because I'm struggling with pornography. Yeah, I'm struggling with pornography for now. Even I'm doing my Salah correctly, everything, but I have a weakness of it. So I decided now. Yes.
On the bottom right now, there will appear a link. Go to that link, click on it, and book a session. Okay? It will take you a few sessions, hopefully, inshallah, to enable you to quit. Because it's easier said than done, and it needs follow-up. This is the day's plague, which is afflicting a very large number of people, adults, singles, married, men and women, youngsters. It is a plague. Okay? So hopefully, inshallah, I'll be able to walk you through and enable you to overcome this addiction. So book a session through hudacounseling.com. The answer is simply, it's haram, it's not permissible, but as I said, it's easier said than done. How to overcome this, inshallah, we'll be able to assist you in the private counseling sessions.